Whenever someone calls my office after they were involved in a car wreck or they were injured on the job, there are two questions that they often ask. One, do I need a lawyer? And two, what happens when I hire you, when I hire your law firm to represent me? Let me address both of those questions in greater detail. One, do I need a lawyer? The answer, without a doubt. I would encourage you to hire a lawyer. At a minimum, I encourage you to at least consult with a lawyer. If you've been injured, I know you have a lot of worries. Who's going to pay your medical bills? Who will pay for your continuing medical bills, your continuing physical therapy? What about your lost wages? What happens if you can't return to work and you have other concerns, pain and suffering, emotional suffering, worry, stress? And here's something else to consider. While you are focused on your physical recovery, ask yourself, do you really want to try and take on the insurance company and their team of lawyers by yourself? Again, I encourage you, at least consult with an attorney, but please speak with someone that specializes in personal injury work. You have far too much at stake to try and go it alone or to hire someone that is not an expert in this area. Now, let's look at the second question. Gary, what happens when I hire you, when I hire your law firm to represent me? Well, I can't speak for how other law firms handle claims, but I'll be happy to share with you how I work for my clients because I'm very proud of what we do. In fact, I've been teaching other lawyers in Georgia and around the Southeast how we handle cases for more than 15 years. Well, step one, contact your law firm for your free, no obligation consultation. The only way we can assist you with your claim is for you to pick up the phone and call us. We can't call you. We will not call you. In fact, it's unethical for any attorney to try and contact you to ask you to hire them. Your call to my firm, it's free. It is completely confidential. Again, there is no obligation. Now, we're going to ask you some questions about your claim, and then we'll let you know if we can provide assistance to you. All right, step two, we come to you. If we decide to take your case, and if you agree to hire us, then we can send one of our investigators to meet with you. And this option can be very, very helpful, especially depending upon your circumstances after a wreck. Immediately after that collision, you may not have transportation because your only vehicle was damaged in the wreck, or your injuries may prevent you from traveling to one of my offices. Well, no problem. I understand that, and I make it easy for you to hire me. The investigator will help you complete all of the paperwork that we need so we can start working for you immediately and make sure you are protected. But if you'd like to come to one of my offices to sign up, we can certainly do that as well. All right, step three. This is so important. We don't get paid unless we get money for you. One question I'm often asked is, how can I afford to hire you? Our contract is simple. You get my zero-fee guarantee. You do not pay me any money up front. I'm not paid by the hour, the phone call, the letter, or per court appearance. And I don't limit my clients to just one call. I only get paid if there is a recovery for you. If there's no recovery, then there are no attorney's fees, period. All right, step four. We take care of all of your legal hassles. We deal with the insurance company and their lawyers. This allows our clients to focus on going to the doctor and getting better. You don't have to answer your phone calls or questions from nosy insurance adjusters. And if you don't have health insurance, if you're having problems getting some additional medical testing, then we can help you with those issues as well. We're here to help. Step five, we meet with you. And I'm laughing because it is so important that you understand this. I make it a point to try and meet all of my clients at my office whenever possible. We try and schedule this appointment within 30 days of you hiring us. This allows us a chance to meet. You can meet the other members of my staff that will be working on your case, and I'll go over the facts of your claim, and we will discuss our legal strategy to ensure that we achieve the best possible results for you. Now, let me tell you about some of the firms that you see advertised on TV or here on the radio. Some of the attorneys do not even have a license to practice law in Georgia. Some of the attorneys do not even live in Georgia, but they live out of state in Florida or Alabama. Chances are you will never meet with the attorney you see in the ad or hear on the radio. To me, that's not right. This claim is extremely important to you, and it should be important enough to that attorney to want to meet with you. Well, good luck with that happening. Georgia is my home. It's where my family lives. My kids go to school. My family goes to church. You hire my firm, I am available to meet with you. Number six, We work to settle your claim. When you finish your medical treatment, we will collect all of your medical records, bills, and lost wage information. We'll prepare a detailed demand package and get your approval, and then we work to get your case settled. And if we can't settle your claim and we must file a lawsuit to protect your rights, then we do it. It's all about maximizing your financial recovery. And finally, step 7, we get you your money. When the settlement check arrives, we take care of making sure all of your medical bills are handled, and we negotiate any liens that may be placed in your file. Once complete, we schedule a time for you to come pick up your check. It's our goal throughout the entire process to take care of all the legal headaches, all the hassles. This way you can focus on going to the doctor and getting better. Now, if you have questions about a potential claim, then please give me a call. 1-800-WIN-WIN-1. Law offices of Gary Martin Hayes & Associates, or go to GaryMartinHayes.com. Again, 1-800-WIN-WIN-1.